Blackline Safety has been around for a long time. We're an instrumentation manufacturer based in Calgary, Canada. We started in 2004 as a lone worker safety device company for a variety of different individuals that are out in the field working by themselves. We provide an added level of safety for them to be able to communicate with somebody back at the home office or back at home base. In and around 2016, we branched out into the gas detection world. It gave us a lot more opportunity to work with the industrial accounts. And then about 2 years ago, we also developed what we call an area monitor. That enabled us to target and look into the emergency response marketplace for the emergency response personnel responding to hazardous incidents, any type of chemical spill that they may be responding to. And since that time, that's been my role, is really fulfilling the needs for that market and looking at promoting our products, both the area monitor as well as the portable gas devices, into the emergency response marketplace. When it comes to our area monitor, the G7 EXO, what makes us different? Speed of deployment is something that most emergency responders have a real difficult time doing with existing wireless technologies. Blackline Safety's device can easily be deployed in less than 3 minutes, from the device transmitting data back to incident command, regardless of the distance between the incident and incident command itself. We have a 100-day battery life built into the system. That should give you the long duration for any time period for an incident response. The sensors utilize the same sensor cartridge configuration as you do in your portable devices. So that gives you the ability to have, again, customized cartridges for any type of incident response. We do have a large display on the devices and an extremely large alarm system as well. One of the things being connected real time, whether it's to incident command or whether it's to Blackline Safety Operations Center, is you've got those real-time alerts going back to the incident command. So as an example, if I were to pull the SOS alert switch on a device, not only will you get the local alarm, but you'll also be getting the alert back at incident command, so they know exactly where you're at. All of our devices are GPS enabled. So again, from a response standpoint, you can now provide rescue capabilities versus a recovery capability. All of our devices are ruggedly tested in everything from wind tunnels to extreme temperatures. Again, they've got to be out there in the sleet and the rain and the wind and everything else that where they may be placed. So one thing that really makes Blackline Safety's product devices unique in the marketplace is that we have a completely adaptable sensor configuration cartridge. So by that I mean you can go into a specific incident with your standard O2, CO, LEL, and H2S sensor configuration in a cartridge. And if your needs do change based upon the incident, you can pop one cartridge off and have another pre-configured cartridge with different sensors in it to be able to adapt to the situation at hand. Blackline is known for our connected worker capabilities. So all of our devices, whether it's the area monitor or the personal monitors, are communicating back to a home base via either cellular or satellite connectivity. What that allows is for the added safety level for the end users of the products to be in communications with those responsible for either a rescue or some other type of response to make sure that they get home safely at night. Most gas detectors from us and manufacturers, they operate on the same principles, but with the wireless technologies, the cellular communications, you've got that radio communication or that cellular communication. And what we've added for the users is to be able to communicate through our gas detectors to other individuals on the same job site or around the world. So long as there's cellular connectivity between the devices, you've got that communication. So while we're not here to replace Motorola type radios, this does provide another level of communication between workers. All of our devices, being that they're communicating to the safety operation, or through the cloud. All of that data is being collected, and the alerts that may happen with the device are communicating to the Safety Operations Center, which is manned by personnel that can immediately respond to any incident that occurs on the devices. The website address for Blackline Safety is www.blacklinesafety.com.